If the battery dies in the locked position, you can unlock the lock by using an external battery. Remove the lower weather cover by pulling it down. Hold a 9-volt battery to the jump contact points on the bottom of the lock. While holding the 9-volt battery in place and with an authorized Bluetooth device within range, press any button on the lock keypad to unlock the lock. If the lock does not open, enter the primary code on the lock keypad. Once the lock is open, use a coin to turn the battery door slot 90 degrees counterclockwise. Open the door and replace with a new CR2 battery.